The history of herbs. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is an annual plant in the family Fabaceae, with leaves consisting of 3 small obovate to oblong leaflets. It is cultivated worldwide, and its seeds and leaves are common ingredients in dishes from the Indian subcontinent and have been used as a culinary ingredient in herbal medicine since ancient times. Fenugreek is believed to have been brought into cultivation in the Near East. Charred fenugreek seeds have been recovered from Iraq, carbon dated to 4000 BC, and Bronze Age levels of dissected seeds from the tomb of the Egyptian boy king Tutankhamun. In one 1st century AD recipe, the Romans flavored wine with fenugreek. In the 1st century AD in Galilee, it was grown as a staple food, as Joseph mentions in his book, The War of the Jews. The plant is also mentioned in the 2nd century compendium of Jewish oral law under its Hebrew name, Tilton. Traditional Chinese medicine and other alternative healing practices have used fenugreek seeds to remedy skin conditions, control fungal infections, reduce inflammation, and decrease cholesterol and blood pressure. Studies highlight that fenugreek seeds can aid metabolic conditions. One study found that people with diabetes who took fenugreek experienced a 13.4 reduction in blood sugar 4 hours after taking it. Because fenugreek seeds contain fiber, they help the body feel full, and increasing satiety can help reduce overeating, which in turn contributes to weight loss. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs, brought to you by Dherbs.com.